It's Charles Vest giving you another installment in the video series of how to make a video. So today we're going to talk about this incredible thing that people want to have in their video. Everybody wish they had it, but not everyone should have it in their video, and that is humor. Yeah, some people are funny, some people aren't. Remember, if you're a funny person, act natural. Don't try to be funnier. If you are not a funny person, then you probably just want to act natural, and that might be funny in itself. You see, what's important about your videos is that people need to know you're being you, not anyone else. Remember, be you. And so when you're doing your video, remember life stories that are really true. Remember to talk about your own experiences, and don't try to be something you're not. For instance, this morning I did a video on the releasing of a tarantula that was found in my house last night, and the fact that I'm a adventurer and I'm not afraid of spiders, right? And I am doing something for America, all that stuff, that I'm releasing this tarantula back into the wild. Well, that's funny because that's what actually happened. It almost bit me, as a matter of fact. So anyway, remember, when you're adding humor to your video, the only proper way to do it is real life stories about you, not about someone else, and just be you. Remember, that's the best thing that people are looking for. Who are you? So, my installment in the video series number 2. We'll talk to you again.